Hi, everyone. Today I'll introduce a new node, OCR, or Optical Character Recognition. Add a node, open the Vision category, find OCR, and click Create. Its purpose is to read text from a specified area of the screen. After creating it, open Parameters. The main options are Language, Page Mode, Result Level, and ROI region. Language must match the text you want to recognize. Choose English for English text or Chinese for Chinese text. Many other languages are also available. We'll use English for today's demonstration. Page Mode tells the OCR module how to read the selected area. Choosing an appropriate mode can improve recognition results. Result Level determines how the recognized text is grouped in the output. We'll demonstrate the most important options shortly. The fourth setting is ROI region. It is currently full screen, but in normal use, I usually select a smaller region because the rest of the screen may contain unrelated text. First, prepare an ROI, open Vision Assets, capture the current screen, and go to the ROI library. Select only this title area. The screen is much larger, but this tells OCR that we only want to read text inside this specific region. Here, set the region to the area we just selected, then save the configuration. Connect the node, enable step mode, and run it to test the result. The OCR result appears here. The two green rectangles mark the two text regions that were detected. You can see the recognized text inside the green outlines on the dark background. The result currently looks correct. Now inspect the node output. Results is an array containing two items. Each item includes the recognized text, its rectangle, and the center position. Next, let's change result level and compare the output. First, select Block. With Block selected, OCR treats this entire block as one piece of text, so the output contains a single result. Now try paragraph. In this example, it also considers the content to be one paragraph. With word selected, every word in the region is separated. There are 5 words here, so results contains 5 items. Now, let's look at page mode. It is currently auto, but the other modes handle the selected area differently. Text block treats this whole area as one text block. The next option is single line, so let's try that too. Result level is still text line, and this run outputs 2 text lines. You can test the other modes yourself. I normally use auto because it is enough for most of my needs. Now, keep result level at text line and set page mode to single line. The recognition is poor this time. We told OCR to expect a single line, but the selected ROI actually contains an entire block. That mismatch makes the result inaccurate, so let's adjust the ROI. Change the region so it contains only this one line of text. Assign the adjusted ROI to the OCR node, then run it again and check the result. Now, OCR is reading a true single line, and the recognition is accurate. In my own use, I generally leave page mode on auto, then choose a different result level depending on the output structure I need. You can try these combinations yourself. Some situations need more testing, especially when the visual background is complex. For example, a game background is usually more complicated than the clean background of a web page. When reading game interface values such as health, you may need modes like single word, single line, or text block. For complex environments like these, test several modes and choose the one that works best. That's all for this OCR node tutorial.